Look up, look way up, and I'll make a sandwich. Hello, Sandwich Dad here. Today I'm going to be making a watermelon cream cheese and chips sandwich someone suggested to me a long time ago. Let's make it happen. First, some multigrain bread, which we're going to turn into toast for the structural integrity. And once we've got toast, we're going to put some cream cheese on there. Then we'll take a slice of watermelon and cut a roughly bread-sized piece out of it. Split that in twain and put two nice bread-sized slices. And for the chips, we're going to use these tangy all-dressed limited edition Doritos here. They are pretty good. Got a good all-dressed flavor. Then we combine. Have a look here. Okay. Give it a nice press. Got to get that sound. Is that ASMR? I don't know. Cut diagonally. And reveal. Well, it's not exactly a looker, but maybe it's a taster. All right, let's have a taste test. Here we go. You know, it's definitely interesting. The watermelon's a little bit wet, as the name would suggest, but the salt in the chips really does bring out that great watermelon flavor. Kind of takes the place of a tomato, and I love finding new ways to put watermelon on sandwiches. This combo might actually be good on a burger or something barbecued. Anyway, great sandwich. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day!